everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kao-Poon Nam Pra, no? Kao-Poon Nam Pra is a fish sauce. It's compared to Italian food we call spaghetti or spaghetti that we eat daily in America. Anyway, so we're like, oh, okay, let's making Kao-Poon. It means Lao spaghetti. Okay, what we have to make Kao-Poon Nam Pra, we use the Kao-Poon, right? Coconut milk, padek, and fish sauce, vegetable oil, chicken flavor, palm sugar, salt. Over here we have dry chili pepper, two different kinds. This is called guajillo, and chili pepper, lemongrass, kaffir leaf, galanga, shallot, and we have a curry paste, the red curry paste, okay? And the fish I'm using today, I use tilapia, and it's a steamed mackerel fish, okay? Okay, we have green papaya, long bean, cucumber, banana flower or banana blossom, bamboo, and green onion or spring onion, and bean sprouts. Okay? Okay, after I got everything all ready, I know it's so many stuff, right? But it's go step by step. Finally, it's gonna be so easy. Let's go ahead, cook with me, okay? Okay, I have the fish is already ready. Okay, open packet, and then I'm gonna go ahead put the salt in the pot and all this. First, you start with salt, galanga, kaffir leaf, and lemongrass first, and then put this fish in, and then this one only about 5 minutes in the pot. Okay, so you will wanna boil this one first. Okay, let's put the already, okay? You get like all the chili pepper, garlic, everything. You smooch it really good and boil the fish. There's no bone, okay? And this pork I put at the end of my soup, okay? And all the stuff I'm ready. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? We're gonna start with the vegetable oil.อยากเฮ็ดน้ำข้าวปุ้นแซ่บๆนะต้องใจเย็นหน่อยนึงเด้อเคี่ยวหน้าให้มันได้ดีๆคันเจ้าเคี่ยวหน้าได้น้ำข้าวปุ้นจะหอมแล้วมันจะบ่ขาว so take time okay guys this is the most important for น้ำข้าวปุ้น okay they call like make the chili make sure it's cooked real good it's gonna take time and make sure the temperature is not too hot you don't want to burn okay so stand by and do this stir them all the time okay Okay, you see that's the reason I save half of my nakati. Okay, the chili paste that I make is really important. You save like half of it to the end. Okay, make the it tastes better. It's more colorful. And look at my pot right now, and you see how beautiful and so much color. But when you add this one, it's gonna get better texture, better red. So good. Okay, I call magic touch. Look at that. Now we add some more. Nothing waste. my food is finished, guys. And this is noodle, okay? You use this kind of noodle, and then you know, the vegetable, the garnish. You wanna use a little bit different product, okay? Different vegetable. So I use the papaya, and of course you see bamboo, long bean, and this you cannot leave without is banana flour, okay? This go with Kao Poon Nam Pra, very good, okay? And the vegetable that I eat with, I have the cilantro. Of course, this is organic from my mom garden, and this is paddy herb, okay? If you have เป็นผักอีตูกินได้คันบ่มีกินตัวนี้ได้แซ่บคือกัน okay? Ooh, pepper. All right, let's make the bowl, okay?เป็นจังใดเป็นตาแซ่บบ่ข้าวปุ้นนะแดงหอมงามไปกินข้าวปุ้นน้ำกันแซ่บเลยแซ่บมากินข้าวปุ้นน้ำกันCome on, guys. This Kao Poon, ooh, looks so good and spicy. Stop. ลองเฮ็ดกินเบิ่งเด้อแล้วขวหน้าแบบข่อยเฮ็ดนี่เห็นบ่หน้าแดงว้าวแซ่บเป็นดีนะThis one padek ผักขะแยงถ้าบ่มีผักอีตูกินผักขะแยงใส่แทนกับแซ่บคือกันหอมชอบนะเผ็ดน้อยหนึ่งตับอะไรครับมีเวลาพากันเฮ็ดกินเนาะ family on the weekend and people asking me all the time is Lao eating spaghetti right I say yeah Kao Poon is my spaghetti on the weekend we always eat spaghetti it's called Kao Poon Kao Poon แซ่บหลายOkay, you guys, when you have time, try to cook it. This is very good dish, okay? And if you like my video, hit like, alright? And follow my video, and I appreciate that. And subscribe my channel too, okay? And I see you guys next time. Bye! ลาก่อน Bye bye!